I've been using the Capital One Platinum credit card for a while now, and in this video, I'll share my honest and unbiased review. I'll cover all the main points, including its key features, benefits, risks, and considerations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether the Capital One Platinum credit card is the right choice for you. Key features. The Capital One Platinum credit card is designed to help you build or rebuild your credit with ease. Here's what it offers. No annual fees. You can enjoy the flexibility of a credit card without the burden of an annual fee. Pre-approval with no credit risk. You can find out if you're pre-approved without impacting your credit score. Purchase APR. A variable 29.99% APR applies to purchases, which is standard for cards aimed at credit building. Automatic credit line reviews. Capital One automatically reviews your account for credit line increases, giving you the potential for greater spending power over time. Benefits. Capital One Platinum credit card comes with a range of features to enhance your experience. Account management, account alerts, authorized users, balance transfers, 24/7 customer service, security and protection, zero fraud liability, security alerts, card lock, digital services, mobile app. Use the Capital One mobile app to manage your account, pay bills, and monitor transactions on the go. CreditWise. Monitor your credit score and financial health with CreditWise, a free tool from Capital One. Travel and retail benefits. No foreign transaction fees. Emergency card replacement. Tap to pay. Pros, no annual fees. Credit building focus. Wide acceptance. Solid security features. Cons. APR with a 29.99% variable APR. Carrying a balance can become costly. Lack of rewards. Basic features. Final thoughts. The Capital One Platinum credit card is an excellent option for those looking to build or improve their credit. It offers a range of benefits with no annual fees, security features, and easy account management tools. As always, consider consulting a financial expert to ensure the card aligns with your specific financial goals and needs. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and financial insights.